Hello guys, are you looking for a such great screen recorder where you can selectively zoom in or zoom out? Then I must say this video is only for you. So I am Amit and today you are watching my YouTube channel E-Talks with Amit. So without any delay, let's get started. So at first you have to disable your Windows security. So now I am disabling my Quickle antivirus security. So just simply press on your Quickle antivirus icon. Now disabling my system security. So just simply disable. After disabling your antivirus security, then go to the website what I actually provide you the link in the description box. So go there and simply open the link, then scroll down and find out the download link. Actually you are watching two links here, and download crack and download crack plus setup. So simply download the download crack plus setup, and actually this link will go to another link and go there and simply download it. As I already downloaded it, so I am going to simply open the file. After opening your file, just install the Bandicam icon apps. So now I am going to install it. Simply next, and it's now installing. And wait for some moment. Now it's finished. Just simply close the window, and you can also close the Bandicam apps what actually shown here. So now I am closing it. After closing the apps, you have to run the key maker file as administrator. So just go to the file and simply extract the rar file here. For extracting the rar file, I am using 7-zip application. So if you have any another types of application, so you can simply use it, otherwise download the 7-zip app. So after extracting the rar file here, find out the key maker. So right press on key maker and run as administrator. After pressing it, you notice that a new pop-up here, and just simply randomly some key and @gmail.com. So simply register here. After registering, you must see that your registration is successful. So we done our registration. Then we move on our next step. So let's move on. After running the key maker as an administrator, then you have to simply copy the loader and press on the folder what I actually show you. So then go to your PC and go to your C drive. Then you have to find out the program file x86. Then find out the folder Bandicam. Then simply go into the Bandicam folder and just paste on it this folder. So now we are finishing our all task. So simply you can enjoy the Bandicam apps. Now the Bandicam is ready to use, and let us simply open the apps, and you are watching there is no unregistered watermark here. So you can simply use the pro version, and hope my video is going to helpful for you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.